Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y70 and today I would like to show you how you can add face data to this HUAWEI. You need to start by opening settings and choosing biometrics and password. Then click on face recognition, enter your current screen lock, and tap on Get Started. Then keep your face in frame and follow the instructions. Now you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is slide up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!